In this video, I will share with you how to create a videos section in Hostinger website builder. First, log in to your Hostinger account. Then from this left side menu, click on websites, then select websites list. Now click on this edit website button next to the website you want to work on. If you have a long list of websites here, to differentiate between your WordPress websites and the other websites built using Hostinger website builder, just look to these icons next to each website. This is a WordPress icon. This means this website is a WordPress website. And this icon is for other websites built using Hostinger builder. Just a little or just a quick tip. This is my website, and to add a section, let's say I want to add a videos section below this section with background. All I need to do is to click on add section button. From this left side menu, look for video, click on it. And now you can select between different videos section templates. I will go with this one. It uses a big, the first video is a big one and two next to it. Click on the template. It will be direct or automatically added for you just like that. And now you can edit your section title from here or completely delete it. Just select the section like that and you can hit delete. To edit the text, you can double click it or click on edit text after selecting the title element. Same thing for this little paragraph. And now to edit these videos, just click on the video you want to edit and click on edit video in order to get this pop-up. To add your video, first I recommend you to upload this to YouTube just like that. And let's say I want to use this video, copy the video link just like that. And to avoid making errors or mistakes, click on the video first and then copy this link from here. Go back to website builder, paste your link here and wait a moment and it will be directly embedded just like that. For this video settings, you can make this video automatically play or play automatically. As you can see, this feature does not work on mobile devices. I'm okay with this. You can make a loop of it. This means at the end of the playing or the video playing, it will automatically start again. I will avoid this loop, and you can go with showing the video controls or not. I will go with yes, show the video controls. I think this button is what they mean with the video control. Now you can also edit the video animation. This is a slide animation. This is a scale animation. This is a fade or no animation. I will go with the slide. You can select the animation for each video. Let's edit the animation of this video, for example. Now this one will go with a scale and this one will this one will start with a scale animation and the bigger one will appear with the slide animation. Now you can, if you want to add multiple other videos, just make the section a little bit longer, just like that, and you can duplicate any video from here, select it, hit this duplicate icon and grab the duplicated video. You can resize the video just like that. I will now duplicate this video again, place it here, and I think just like that. This is good. Let's make a 4 video line. I think this is due to my slow internet. This video you need to wait a little bit before grabbing the duplicated video. I think this is good. Let's adjust the section height. You can also edit the section design from here. Select the section, click on edit section. You can pick a background photo from here. I will go with this image. This photo was not good for this use. You can adjust the overlay opacity of the image, but I think I will go with a color. For example, select the section color from here. I will go with this gray color. And you can give or create an anchor for this section. If you want to build a link on any placement of your website that does not only redirect people to this page, but they redirect them to this exact section or the exact part of the page. This means when someone clicks on this link with this anchor from here, let's give it a name, for example, video section. Now make a link to this exact address, and after clicking this new link, the visitor will visit the page and automatically scroll to this exact section, just like that. I think that's all for this editing. Let's update this website to see it live. View site, scroll down, and this is the videos section. By the way, my internet speed is slow, and this is the video controls. And this is the video controls. I will hide the video controls. You need to uncheck it for each video. Edit video, hide the controls. Let's just hide them for the first two videos. As you can see, the first video automatically started and the video controls are hidden. And this is how to create a videos section in Hostinger website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.